Hey guys, welcome to the Top 5 List channel. Are you looking best car dashboard DVRs in this video? I will show you the top 3 best car dashboard DVRs to buy right now on your budget. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research, and I have a list of them based on their quality, durability, price, and more to find out more information about these products. You can check out the links in the description box. Also, make sure you subscribe, up to date with the latest technology video. Okay, so let's get started with the video. As the item number 3, we've selected 10.26 inches 4K car DVR. Specifications: brand name, ImageBond. Display, IPS. View angle, 105 degrees minus 140 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, H.265. Video format, TS. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Pixels, 800 mega. GPS logger, external. Frames per second, 30. The item number 2 is Podofo Car Mirror Video Recording. Specifications: brand name, Podofo. Item weight, 1,130 grams. Item size, 239 by 100 Material type, ABS plastic plus meta. Resolution, 1024 by 600. Placement, sun visor. Display size, 9 inches. Waterproof rating, IP69. Pixel, 1280 by 720p. Screen, HD 1024 by 600. Voltage, 7 to 32 volts. On the top of our list at number 1 we have K2 Dashcam. Specifications: brand name, Objpeak. Display, IPS. Screen ratio, 16:9. View angle, 170 degrees. Camera resolution, 3840 by 2160. Video code, H.264. Video format, TS, MP4. Max external memory, 128GB. Number of lenses, 2. Imaging sensor, GC4653. Pixels, 1200 mega. Display size, 10.26 inches. OSD language, Chinese, simplified. Battery, built-in. Frames per second, 30.